USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, let's talk about USDJPY. And before that, subscribe, like, and share. So coming back to weekly time frame, this rejection has come. I think we might go up. Trend is up. Okay, so bullish, we are up. 2 weeks might have been the pullback. So in weekly, in the strong uptrend, 2 weeks, 2 red candles in weekly might be the pullback. This is time to go up. Okay, now we have two possibilities. Here we might touch the EMI, so the price might still come down. Coming back to 4 hour we are already down, but we have possibly started the new uptrend because use the line right here. That's the line you see. So this candle closed above previous BOS. This was your previous BOS. This last 4 hour candle has closed above it, so probably this is the start of a new uptrend. Okay, coming back to daily time frame. This is again a rejection candle, but for confirmation, I guess if I use something, where's my circle? Maybe use my rectangle. That's your rectangle. Okay, so as long you see, right. So if I see another blue candle, bullish breakout eating these 3 red candles, and the candle is blue, I am going long. Okay. So either the price first will come until the EMA reject it and then blue engulfing, or else next blue candles will engulf this whole section and bullish breakout and then we'll go long. Okay, so subscribe, like, share, and take care. I'll see you in maybe next videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you want to copy my exact swing trades coming this week with precise entry timing, with take profit, with stop loss, then check out the first link below the video. Yes, if you want to copy the exact trades or the swing setups I am interested in for this coming week, make sure you check out the first link below the video, and I'll see you on the other side.